Need to move money between your accounts or send funds to others using the Fidelity Bank app? Transferring money on the go is simple with the right steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to effectively transfer funds using the Fidelity Bank mobile app. To transfer money, open and log in to the Fidelity Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. You'll then choose the type of transfer you want to make, such as between my accounts or to other bank account. If you're sending to a new recipient, you'll likely need to add them as a beneficiary by entering their account number, bank name, and other required details. For existing beneficiaries, simply select them from your list. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and any relevant notes. Finally, review all the transfer details carefully, especially the recipient's information and the amount. Confirm the transaction, often with a one-time password, OTP, or your biometric authentication. The funds will then be processed and transferred. And there you have it. Transferring money via the Fidelity Bank app is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.